Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Nice to meet you, Ramzan. My name is Marisa.
Nice to meet you, Marisa.
And where are you from?
I am from India.
Nice. A lot of my students on Cambly are from India. So I'm from Scotland, from the United Kingdom.
Okay, great. And what's your profession?
So I'm a travel blogger. So I take photos and I write travel articles for different companies. But I'm also an English teacher for usually younger kids on a different company, but also on Cambly for adults.
Yes, okay, that's great. And you are, traveling bloggers means?
Yes,
So you are writing the blogs related to traveling, right?
yes. And like generally tourism, the whole tourism industry, hospitality. hmm
And do you have any website?
I do, but unfortunately, I'm not allowed to share it with people on Cambly.
Yes,
Um,
okay, no problem. Actually, what I am a software engineer. I am developing websites and mobile apps.
oh, very interesting.
So if you would have any issues, any bug to fix, so definitely I can help you out with that.
Thank
And
you.
other than that, I am also I am also working on my own product. So I have launched my website of that is for the SEO keywords.
Ah, uh-huh.
So there are a lot of tools. So I will be publishing maybe tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. So I will be sending you the link. So that can also help you to rank your website by searching various keywords on different search engines.
Okay, that's very interesting. So it's a tool to find like the SEO, like to find the keywords.
Yes,
Oh,
correct.
that's interesting. Well, yeah.
About 40 or 50 more tools I have developed. And other than that, I have also my clients in Europe and other countries. So I am also serving them as a software services like troubleshooting in the WordPress website and also designing and development, and bug fixing and all.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's so interesting. And are you new on Canva? Have you been doing it for a while?
I am practicing over here from last 1 month.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Nice. I'm also quite new on Cambly. Only a couple of weeks actually. I've been on a different company for a year, but Cambly is new, but I really love it. I'm really enjoying it.
Yes, that's great. And you are in Mexico?
No, Scotland.
Scotland, sorry. So please tell me a little bit about your culture because I am also focusing on listening skills.
Okay.
So just share me a few things.
Well, first of all, Scotland is a incredible country. I would definitely recommend anyone to visit. The history is amazing, but also the nature. I'm sure you've heard of like the Highlands and just the Scottish nature is so different from anywhere else in the world. Often Scotland and England, people think it's the same country, but it's not. Scotland is and England are two countries. Um, but we have the same kingdom, so the same queen. But we have our own laws, our own culture, and everything. And mm, try to yeah, like I live in Aberdeen, so it's quite north of Scotland. Um,
Mhm.
so there's a lot of it's an oil and gas industry here in Aberdeen. It's a oil and gas capital of Europe. So we do a lot of business with Dubai, especially. But I think if anyone were to visit Scotland, it would be for the history, for example, in Edinburgh, the capital, and then the nature in the Highlands and maybe some of the islands around Scotland, the Scottish islands, anyway. Um, but yeah, but I'm also half Greek actually, so I have two nationalities. My father's from Greece, so I went to school there,
Oh.
um, but now I'm in Scotland. Yeah.
And you are living with your family right now?
No, I live alone.
You live alone. I mean, you get married and or maybe you are graduating.
So I just graduated last summer. I was supposed to go to Australia and live
Mhm.
there, but because of the pandemic, my visa got cancelled. So I'm still here. Just um, yeah, I studied international tourism management, and it was kind of bad timing to graduate in a tourism
Okay.
degree.
And that's why you are working on Cambly because you could not able to go to Australia.
Yes, I can't really go anywhere at the moment, but I'm hoping that in a few months I will at least be able to go around Europe to some other countries and travel.
Okay, so your accent of English is British or American?
It's definitely not American, but it's a bit of Scottish, but it's also, I think, a mix of Greek, possibly. It's not 100% Scottish. Um,
How many languages you know you can speak?
so English and Greek are my native languages, and then I speak Russian, and
Hmm.
then a bit of Albanian and French and Finnish, because
Okay.
I love languages and I find it quite easy to learn because I grew up with two languages since I was a baby, and it's easier to learn more. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
And tell me a little bit about yourself. What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing when you're not working?
Actually, I have a schedule like in the morning about 7 o'clock. I go for a walk, and I have a beautiful river in my nearby where I'm living, and I have a wildlife sanctuary in front of my room, and I walk in its surrounding, and there are beautiful trees, greenery, and all.
Oh,
So those are at that time I try to stop my thought process, stop thinking about my work, and just focus on the nature and observe that beautiful sounds.
mm-hmm.
So that makes me more happy throughout the day.
Yes. And do you prefer nature or more like city vibes?
Yes, yes, nature. I am also living away from my hometown, that is about 15 miles.
Ah, okay.
And it is a small city. There is not much pollution and much traffic in the surroundings. So I'm living in a calm place.
Ah, okay. That's so interesting. But I also love nature. I also one of my hobbies, and also what I just do in my free time is to go out and like in a forest or a mountain or somewhere and just try to also not think about work, because I have a hard time like relaxing because I'm always thinking about work. So it's good to just go out in nature and just just embrace it.
And how many years you have the experience working on writing the articles and all?
About 4 years now.
Okay, so you are like freelancing from your home, right?
Yes, I do freelance, but I work with other companies. But I also have my own blog and website where I have an audience, and then I have like paid ads and everything.
Okay.
Mhm.
And paid ads related to AdSense or any other?
Yes, It's a well Google Ads.
Yes, okay, okay, great. Actually, these are the few things in terms of marketing. I am not much
Um,
sure. I am a developer and designer, and I'm working in these things and just trying to learn about the marketing as well.
yeah, marketing is my expertise. I studied a lot of marketing at university.
Okay, so I will have needed your help. First of all, you should, once I will be publishing my website, then you should review that website. If you would think about that, that can help you in your marketing strategy, because that is for bloggers, SEO experts,
hmm
marketers, and YouTubers.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So I will be sharing with you that specific thing. So maybe that can help you.
Okay.
And I will book another class with you, and then after I will discuss about pronunciation and other English aspects which I have to improve.
Yes, I'm happy to help. And the time.
Okay.
It's nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
And